Hey everybody, this is Mrs. D coming to you with a specific tutorial for the written application on Outschool. All my links are below. If you are trying to apply or have been denied for Outschool, please use my link to help you out. So if you've already heard that spiel, sorry, but let's get started. This is for section 2 of the written application. It's 2 of 4, so you have got 2 more to go. Okay, so section 2 of the written application, and don't forget grammar, mechanics, spelling, they count a lot for the Outschool application. So don't make any mistakes there because that will be grounds for denial. All right, so section 2 talks about your academic degrees. It says, please list any academic degrees, teaching credentials, current or expired, professional training, or other relevant professional certifications you hold. We do not require degrees on Outschool. Include anything that will help us learn more about your background. Please include year, subject, and state or institution. So let's start with no bullet points. We want to approach this in paragraph form. And again, we're going to start with from these dates to these dates, where you would maybe attended college, what your degree was in, and some details about that, okay? Now, and it says state or institution. What I like to encourage people to do here is do not get stuck in the idea that this has to be academic or teaching credentials only. Okay, and not only like college education, all right, because TESOL certifications, list those. We want to look at any kind of trainings that you've gone to, Zoom trainings, workshops, really any training that you've done as a managerial experience on there. Are you CPR certified? Have you been CPR certified? Another one that you can put on there. Any workshops that you've given or attended, those are also a professional type of experience. And it doesn't always have to be professional. What if you go to homeschooling conventions every now and then just so that you can learn about more about ways of teaching your kids at home? That can be listed on here as well. Planning homeschool curriculum and executing that, also something that gives you teaching credentials. Now, also dig deep. Talk about your ESL tech aspects of your job if you have an ESL background, because that is showing that you are proficient in technology and virtual learning. Okay? Google Education, Zoom trainings, Coursera. I mean, really think about all of the things that you have done. And don't be shy of listing things here, because not Google. I always have Google on the brain. Outschool loves passionate teachers. That's the number one thing. You have to show your passion in your video and in your written application. And when you can show that you're passionate teachers, we know that passionate teachers are also passionate learners. So if you can show that to Outschool by listing all of these things that you love learning about, that is going to look a lot better for you than just listing your 2 degrees that you might have. Okay? So make sure we pad this up with the things that you've done, even if you don't think they're significant. They probably are. There's probably some way that they'll be useful to you and that they will show how you are qualified to teach on Outschool. Stay focused, list it in paragraph form, no bullet points, and we're going to go on to section 3.